Ayan. So this is day one of our pop-up here at Louvre, and it's pretty cool, I have to say. And the food that's coming out is nice so far. Meaning we haven't hooked things up yet, but I think we won't. The team's on it. I mean, it's nerve-wracking. It is. I mean, this is a different venue, but at the same time, it's nakaka-proud talaga. That's why it's nerve-wracking. Kasi, I mean, when do you get the chance to cook Filipino food here? I mean, if you're looking what I'm looking, I mean, come on, look at that. If you look, that chaos, there are nerves there, but they're fighting. They're fighting, and we fight.
Guys, why does Lucia is taking time to come on the patch? Lucia is frying items. Fry it, no?
Chefs, can we fry this one more?
Day one, done. Day two, next tomorrow. Better. Okay, so anniversary ng parents ko. Ilang years na, ma'am? 55 years. Wow. So my mom, of course his grandson, then that's my dad. So it's their... So that's my mom's first cousin, Tita Sandra. That's my mom's first cousin, Tita Vivian.
And our dad and our bridesmaid.
Sa kasal. Right. And Tito Ray, and Tito Philip, and everyone. Okoy, palabok. And the empanada is with tamarind gravy. The okoy is with the brown sauce is pinakbit and vinegar. I come from a family of optometrists. Kaya, yeah, I'm very particular with my eyewear. Pero growing up, wala akong dahilan mag-antipara or mag-eyeglasses. Kaya, ngayon na medyo matanda na ako, eto na. And I guess yun, nakuha ko yan sa nanay ko. Yung style ko actually, nakuha ko sa nanay ko. And yung sobra kong particular sa salamin, sa antipara, nakuha ko rin sa nanay ko. Siyempre, yun yung pamilya namin eh. Kaya tingnan mo. Tingnan mo si Tita Vivian, yung salamin niya, astig. Unique.
Vivian Sarabia.
Yan, Vivian Sarabia. Ari naman, Iloilo. Sarabia Optical sa Iloilo. Ari naman, Anglo Optical sa Bacolod. Portang talong, crispy squid with adobo sauce. Inasal. 1, 2, 3, over here! Alright, now I have to go to Abu Dhabi. Day 2 of our pop-up here at the Louvre. I mean, at Louvre. It's always at Louvre, not walang ta. Nanulog. Okay, just my... Alright, thank you. Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye. I'll see you later. I want to go home early tonight. Many people already going to the restaurant? So day 1 was pretty chaotic, yet fun, rewarding. Day 2 is, I think we're more ready. I'm walking to the kitchen. I'm a bit late. I promised the team that I'd be earlier, but family's here, and then I had to be at Kuya earlier, and it's just been a very, very hectic week. Pagod talaga. Daming ganap, pero ganun talaga eh, di ba? Ganun talaga minsan. When it rains, it pours. And kailangan kang humanda. Kasi pag dry season or pag ano yun pag wala akong Tagalog word. Kung sa Ilonggo pa, kung why mako Ilonggo word. Basta pag dry season, di ba? Drought rin. So just make the most out of it and at the same time get some rest when you can. Kasi ayaw mo rin ma overheat or ma burnout. And yeah, kasi kung ma burnout ka, sayang yung ginagawa mo. Hindi mo na siya ginagawa for the love of it. Ginagawa mo na siya for another reason, right? And may nabasa akong quote kanina, parang it went like it's for us cooks eh. Pag galit ka, yung pagkain medyo galit rin. Pag kalmado ka, yung pagkain parang kalmado rin. Pag masaya ka, yun. So my point is na especially sa mga chefs out there, be, you know, recharge and keep the passion and get some rest kasi food is very personal. How's it going?
Very good.
Are you? Are you guys ready? We're more ready today?
Yes.
The kitchen is more calm today?
Yes.
Okay, okay, that's a good sign. That smile is better.
One garlic rice. Copy.
This is our okoy, crab okoy, and that's our lechon manok, garlic rice. That's Princess, that's Chef Javier. Javier, thank you, Chef.
I have training, palabo.
And Chef Ian is not here. Maybe next time. Kumusta? Hello, hello. How are you? Bella over there.
Remember, we kept some food on this table. You understand?
Yes.
That's Chef Josh. Hello.
Yeah.
Fritz. Hello. What's your station?
Chef.
Plating. And then...
Hi, Chef.
Mamaya ka na.
Wedges.
Huh? What's your station?
Hot sauté.
Sauté. What are you making?
Now we have order caldereta and palabo.
Okay. And then Carl, what's your station? Fry.
Chef.
Okoy.
Okoy.
Lumpia.
Empanada.
Ikaw, sir. Pangalan, sir? John?
Yes, Chef.
Station mo?
Station with the Chef Curry together with the frying item and the oven item.
At saka yung lechon manok. So kung overcook yung lechon manok, ito yung muka. Pero kung masarap, ito rin yung muka. Confit squid, garlic shrimp, eggs, adobong pusit, palabok sauce, nicely cut onions. Ay! Nakalimutan natin si Mike, baka sabihin nila. Ayan, si Mike. May mga order ka na? How are you, brother? Kabayan? No, okay. Normally, maraming order ng halo-halo. Kasi, ang sabi ni Mike, nakikita kasi siya. Pero since ngayon na nakatago siya dito daw, kaya humina daw yung order ng halo-halo. Yun yung sinabi niya. Diba? I mean, tama naman kasi hindi mo makikita eh. Ayan, si Arjanel. Arjanel, ano ang stasyon mo? Wala ka sa pero parang okay pa naman sila ngayon. Ah, okay. This is our first seating. Yeah, service is definitely a little bit more refined today than yesterday. Well, syempre, it was the first day and everyone was nervous, stressed, and yeah, basically nervous.
Should be the jasmine. Enjoy!
This is our beef caldereta, beef belly, cooked in roasted tomatoes, and then Parmesan cheese on top. This is, oh, good choice, our adobo chicken wings with lots of love, our okoy with crab, and then this is a shrimp paste sauce and vinegar. Basically, this is sort of like a pinakbit sauce. And good choice, plain white rice, and if it's not enough, just order another cup of rice.
The beef here. Caldereta, adobo wings.
Yep, correct. Correct. Mabuhay ang pagkaing Pinoy. What did you order? Huh?
Halo-halo. Say halo-halo.
Halo-halo. Okay, okay.
Yung kare-kare po, adobo. Adobo. Chicken adobo. Tsaka caldereta.
Okay, good choice. Kamusta naman yung experience sa kumain ng pagkaing Pinoy sa Louvre?
Ang sarap po.
Pero nakakain na kayo sa kuya?
Yes po. Years ago.
Matagal na. Okay, layo kasi, no? Okay.
Sa Dubai kami yan.
Dubai kayo ngayon?
Before po.
Then lumipat kayo? Okay. Anong oras ka bukas?
9 o'clock pa naman.
Sige. Kamusta?
Okay naman, chef.
Anong pakiramdam?
Ngayon, chef, sarap sa feeling na nakapagluto rin ulit kami ng Filipino food na wala po dito sa UAE ngayon. Parang nasa Pilipinas lang po ulit ako. Sa Pontevedra. Chef.
Dugay ka na din?
Bago lang actually.
Bago ka lang?
Oo.
Pila ka tuig? Or bulan?
2 ka bulan.
2 ka bulan pa lang?
Pero all station ako din. Bra.
Paano ka nakasulod eh?
Bale, ang ginaplano ko gid sa una, chef. Upod kami sa ni mama, ginsuptan ko. Ang plano ko gid sa kuya, apply. Pag-abot ko sa Dubai, hindi ko kabalo paano mag-send sa akong resume, bro.
Okay. Paano ka
napad? Ko magpasa.
Paano ka napadpad dito?
Napadpad ako sa Abu Dhabi, tapos nag-walk-in lang. Yung iba online ko siya pinapasa yung CV ko. Chef Ian.
So nagustuhan ka nila?
Opo, sa interview naman po. Nagustuhan naman po nila.
So anong station mo dito?
All station po. Cold section, hot section.
Sa atin, anong experience mo?
Sa Chinese restaurant po, sa MOA. Super Bowl, sa Bus Asia po ako galing.
So magaling ka sa wok?
Sa wok po, yes po.
Wok talaga?
Opo, wok po.
Na-assign ka sa lechon manok? So okay naman?
Opo, okay naman.
Parang...
Na-miss ko ulit yung parang inasal ng Bacolod eh. Ang ginagawa ko po yung lechon manok. Parang kailangan precise yung ilong, yung drive ng Ilonggo din.
Tapos parang ang weird no na nag-uusap tayo dito sa Louvre ng pagkaing Pinoy.
Yes, pagkaing Pinoy po. And then yun, nakakatuwa din po sa feeling na kinukwento po sa amin ni Chef Balbir sa opisina na kailangan sana ano nyo kay Chef JP yung Filipino food din also kasi mix naman po yung menu namin dito eh. Yan, natuwa po siya sa okoy, empanada. Gustong-gusto niya po yung empanada. Kaya nakakasarap po sa feeling na yung Filipino food dish maangat din po sa panlasa ng ibang lahi.
Okay. Ang ganda na mismo yung chef mo nagsabi na.
Yes po. And executive po namin mismo nagsabi na yun yung Filipino food. The best din po. Sasabi din po na may pwede rin ilaban dito.
Yung parang na-prove natin sa kanila sa 2 araw na to na pwede ilaban. Pwede
ilaban, chef.
Pwede talaga.
Yes, pwede talaga, chef. Lalo na yung pangalawang araw natin ngayon, which is yung last day natin ngayon, chef. Masasabi mo talaga na
mas pulido
yung naging production natin kanina sa kitchen.
Siyempre, unang araw eh.
Sobrang saya ng unang araw po, hindi po magkakabisado eh.
Ilang oras ka nagtrabaho ngayon?
Bali, 14 hours po.
Uwi na. Uwi ka na.
Chef JB, thank you so much.
Thank you. Kamusta? Okay na? Patapos na?
Tapos na surprise.
May ilang ticket? Wala na. Okay.
We're just moving food for the staff, chef.
Yes.
Chef, para matikman yung food natin.
Guys, this is Anis, right?
Nice to meet you guys.
He's a manager of Phuket, Michelin recommended restaurant, 3 years in a row. French, and his favorite dish is
Bulalo.
Bulalo. So give him bulalo empanada. Okay, brother. Hey! Come. Sauce, please. Gravy, please. And I give you. You know sinigang? This is sinigang gravy.
Almost all the food.
Okay. So his wife is from Cebu.
Yes. Let me.
And bulalo, no?
It's amazing, chef. Really.
Rizzo, tingnan mo.
Yeah. Thank you, chef. I see them all in Phuket.
I bring some for you, for the team.
Yeah.
This is for the team.
Okay.
And then this is for you. The empanada.
Empanada, yes.
One more. Ayan, dito tayo sa baba. Kamusta?
Ayos lang, chef. New experience para sa akin. Bagong environment, bagong ano. First day nangapa kami.
Mahirap. Sa mahirap.
Mahirap siya, chef, na satisfying eh. Na pag nung naraos namin yung nakahabol kami, parang, uy, wala na, habol na kami. Hindi na kami gulong. Tapos, makasama mo yung mga ibang lahi na sobrang welcoming nila. Lalo na sina Chef Josh. Pati yung mga kabayan natin na nagtatrabaho kasama nila. Helpful sila.
Anong pakiramdam sa kusina na French Brigade? Yun ang tinatawag na French Brigade.
Yeah. Sobrang Chef, parang ang masasabi ko sa kanila, organized sila. Sobrang ganda ng nakita ko silang kasi one time nag-busy sila habang nagpe-prep kami. Galing, one call lang, then fire lahat. Tahimik lang sila. Then after 1 hour, na sila? Tapos na, linis na, pack up.
Yun yung sa mga collab na ganito, maliban na may alam at marunong tayo magluto ng pagkaing Pinoy. Pero hindi lang yun eh. Yun yung sinabi mo eh, na organize sila.
Yes, sir.
And kung ma-apply natin yan sa kusina natin, sa Filipino kitchen natin, kahit maliit at mainit, lalo pa aangat yung pagkain natin.
Yes, sir.
So hindi siya porket masarap lang.
Oo, sir.
Tama?
Yes, sir.
No? So yun yung ibabaon natin balik sa atin.
Oo, sir.
Tapos,
yung natutunan ko dito.
no? And ngayon, hindi lang ikaw, kundi kayong lahat.
Oo, sir.
Iba ang example ko kwento ko sa'yo, tapos sabihin mo, okay, versus na experience mo.
Oo, sir.
Right?
Yeah.
So ngayon, mas hindi lang ikaw nagkukwento, pati rin sila, mas ma-change pa natin. Di ba?
Oo, sir.
Yun yung sa akin yung that's why you do collabs.
Yeah.
And you do pop-ups because you learn from each other.
Yes, sir.
Sila naman, yung natutunan nila sa atin, okay, una, i-breakdown natin. Yung mga kabayan, yung natutunan nila is kung yung panglasa,
Yes, sir.
yung timpla ng konti. Kasi hindi naman lahat ginawa natin dito. Pero, nagkaroon sila ng idea. Yung natutunan naman ng mga ibang lahi is natutunan nila mag-appreciate palalo ng pagkain natin. And na-realize nila na puchang sarap pala ng pagkain natin.
It wasn't like yesterday, but at least we were set like we didn't fall out on the orders. Everything was perfect.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you, Chef.
Chef, one last thing. What can you say about them?
They're really strong. It's a strong team you have.
Young.
Very young and very energetic, and they know what they're doing. Most important, they know what they're doing. They know their meal, they know their menu, they know their concept, they know everything.
And what can you say, Chef, about the food?
The food is amazing. This the koi, the fried vegetable, the koi. With
Okoi. That's your favorite?
Amazing. Oh, it's amazing. Huh. This one I need the recipe, chef.
Okay, Carl, give him the recipe.
I need the recipe.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, chef, I will
It's
give
amazing.
you, but
It's amazing.
I will give you not all.
No, just give him. But
Pablanok with squid ink.
ah,
The whole
palabok.
the whole
Combination?
Everything
Yeah.
combination is amazing.
Yeah.
I can give you also
When you
the
see it
recipe.
with the egg, everything,
Yeah.
it's good. When
Yeah.
you're eating, I think it's melting in the mouth. And
Chef, you have to go to the restaurant, okay?
I will come.
Message me.
I will come.
Yeah,
I
please.
have your Instagram. I will definitely come.
Please. Dong, halika. Kung nag-start ka sa atin sa dishwashing, tapos ngayon ano ka na? Komi ano ka na? 1, 2, or 3? Hindi mo alam? Buisit. Pag nanonood nito si Chef dyan, tatawanan ka. O sige, basta anyway, kusinero ka na ngayon.
Yes.
At saka isa kang mahusay na kusinero. No? Isa kang isa kang maliban sa mahusay, sobra kang maliban sa mahusay, masipag, pero ang solid mo dahil wala kang ka-bullshit magtrabaho. Trabaho lang. Ngayon, para ang layo ng narating, no? From dishwasher to luto ka dito sa Louvre. Anong pakiramdam nun?
Medyo kinabahan po talaga ako, pero yun nga, nasanay naman po ako sa mga ganun. Ginagawa ko lang po nirelax ko lang yung sarili ko lagi.
Oo.
Kahit minsan nape-pressure ako, pero hindi ko nahihayaan na kinakain ako ng pressure. Focus lang talaga ako, yun yung ganun ako.
Masaya ka ba?
Opo, masaya po.
Masaya. Bakit?
Siyempre, hindi ko naman po inakala ba na nagsimula ako sa dishwasher, tapos hindi ko na napapansin na konti-unti na pala ako natututo dahil sa mga chef na kasama ko.
Tama.
Tuturuan po nila ako.
Diba?
Malaking po yun, tulong sa akin.
Maliban sa mga kusinero natin sa Kuya, yung mga kusinero dito.
Opo.
Anino ka natuto talaga?
I mean, madami po chef. Di ko po
Kahit kay Chef Josh natuto ka.
Yes po, chef.
Natuto mo yung boses niya.
Yes. Paano po sila din.
Oh. Meron pa dito si Chef Ian, yung sous chef.
Yes po, chef.
Kabayan. Siya wala siya dito sayang.
Sabi nga nakakabas yun.
Oo. Oh, sige, happy ka?
Yes po, chef.
Ha?
Opo, masaya.
Gusto mo ulitin?
Opo, kung bibigyan ulit ng pagkataon na makabalik tayo dito, ang katindi.
Eating time?
Yeah.
Uy, okay lang na. Oh, everyone eating and going home, ready to go home. Masarap? Ito yung pinakamasaya na part ng buhay kusina. Yung after service and kainan na. And actually, kami mga kusinero, spoiled kami sa masarap na pagkain. Kaya minsan, pag uwi sa bahay, yung gusto namin yung pinakasimple na lang or yung galing lata. Kasi palaging masarap. Palaging masarap. Uy, ba't ang daming rice? Ang konting ulam? Or wala pa?
Appetizer pa lang.
Appetizer pa lang. That is chicken skin, yeah. Chicken skin, good with the palabok. Kamusta? Sarap?
Sarap, chef. Number 1.
Talo daw, 10!
Yay! Tama, pwede daw!
Yay!
Adobo sauce!
Sean, tara, ka muna. Ilang years ka na sa dito?
Actually, chef, magto 2 years
Okay.
sa August.
Okay. Ano yung pakiramdam na yun nangyari sa 2 araw o 3 araw?
Ako, chef, yung una pa lang na sinabi ni chef na may Filipino chef na may mag ano ng
Pop-up, parang ano?
pop-up ng kusina natin. Na-excite ako. Tapos sinabi na kuya. And then sabi ko si Chef JP yun. And then syempre as a fan na laging nanonood ng vlog mo, chef, excited ako.
Pero ano yung kanina nagluluto ka ng palabok. Tapos Diba? Sa kusina mo na normally hindi mo naman niluluto.
Actually, nakakabigla kasi first time dito sa Louvre na may Filipino food sa nag-represent ng Filipino. Nakaka-proud, chef. Actually, chef, every year we have African nights, Mexican, and hopefully this year or next year we have a Filipino nights. Hopefully, chef.
Well, siguro dahil sa magandang pinakita natin, baka ito na.
Chef Balbir likes you, chef. The vibe, the presentation, the concept. He like it.
Baka ito na yung time natin.
Yes, chef.
Feeling mo ba?
Yes, chef. Yes, chef. Hoping, chef.
No?
Yes, chef.
Ako rin
Nakaka-proud, chef.
Kasi napasabi ako na feeling ko na-agree ako sa feeling mo is because actually kampante ako sa inyo eh. Kahit na gumugulong-gulong tayo nung isang araw, pero natawid pa rin eh. At lalo na ngayon, no? Lalo ngayon na mas kampante na tayo. Bilang, imagine, kaya nga, di ba kahapon nagsabi ako, tomorrow's another day, and tomorrow we will be better. And we did.
Exactly, sir.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Which one? This one? Yeah. Impossible. I eat everything. Except sugar.
Pang ilan na ba to? Pang 3, 4 na tao na gusto kong tanungin. Okay. First of all, yung likod mo, tingnan mo yung likod mo. Tapos yung harap mo. Tapos sumalang ka sa French kitchen. Anong pakiramdam, Fritz?
Maganda, chef, para sa akin, ibang experience to eh. Level up tayo. Masaya. I'm happy na maka-work dito sa kitchen, different kitchen, with working with other nationality, serving our food.
Parang all-in-one combo, no?
Parang masaya kasi in-introduce natin yung food natin. From Dubai to Abu Dhabi, we made it here. From Manila to Dubai to Abu Dhabi, we made it here.
And from Abu Dhabi to the world.
On this museum cafe, I'm really happy.
Parang
I guess all the hard works
worth it.
Really worth it.
Diba sometimes you're like, what the am I doing? Why am I doing this? And all the shit.
All the sacrifice.
Blood, sweat, and tears.
Yes,
tapos
worth it.
For the books. No? One for the books talaga, diba?
Maganda, chef.
Sabi ni Sean. Sabi ni Sean, hindi ko na nakuha sa video yung last niyang sinabi. Sabi niya, Chef, I'm so happy. Grabe, parang...
Grabe, small world, chef. Kasi first time, usap kami ni Sean. Then, usap kami. And then, after nun, tinanong ko siya, tagisan ka? And then, small world, kasi we came from the same province, chef, from Bicol. And yung crazy thing doon kasi, magkalapit lang kami, next town lang. So we speak the same language, dialect, which is Rinconada, Bicol. Sabi ko, what? Dito pa tayo nagkailala talaga. So, grabe yung comfortable namin sa isa't isa. Nag-usap kami in local dialect. So, kaya kung may mga needs ako, sinasabi ko sa kanya, ina-approach ko sa kanya, sabi ko, in our own dialect, parang naging brotherhood agad kami. Kasi sa liit ng mundo dito pa kami nagkakilala. Para akin, okay, magiging madali na lang lahat. Everything will be easy, service, because...
And also, yung relationship nyo sa isa't isa. Diba?
Yes, sir.
Example, kailangan ka magtanong ng how to make I don't know, like say Hollandaise, since they're a French kitchen.
Yes, sir.
Siya naman, Chef Fritz, paano ba gumawa ng sinigang na masarap? Diba? So parang priceless yung exchange of knowledge. Yeah. Yun, boom. Eh di, Break a leg. Break a leg.
Thank you, sir.
Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, we're gonna have fun eh. At first, yung itsura ni Fritz, talaga? O ngayon, oo. I proved you wrong. I mean, no. See, basta I guess tiwala lang sa isa't isa. Yun lang naman eh. Okay, breakdown. Ilang minutes kayo na pag nag-breakdown kayo ng kitchen? Ilang minutes?
30 minutes, sir.
30 minutes. Kasama na linis? Okay.
Date level.
Oo. So yan yung totoong leader. Ginagawa lahat. Nag-expedite tapos naglilinis rin. Lead by example, no? Okay. Ang tanong ko lang sa'yo, bakit ang konti ng order ng halo-halo?
Tago po ako.
Ayan. Yun yung totoo yan ha.
Natago ako. Pagka nasa event kasi palagi nasa labas tayo. Yung palagi ako or either sa tabi ako ng mga dispatch or
tapos nakikita nila
ako nila kung paano ko gumawa ng halo-halo. Dito po, tago po. Kaya di siguro nila masyado na...
Sige lang, kausapin ko yung The Louvre Management. Baka pwede ka i-exhibit.